think I might just sit here and enjoy the rain all day, Sadie.
Are you gonna build anything?
I don't think so.
Or you could build the table Mommy's been asking for.
Perfect, Sadie.
My wife tells me all the time that I don't ever build her anything. And that's just not true. What may be true is I don't always get around to it as fast as she would like me to. This table specifically for our back porch, we don't need it at all. But if you ask my wife, we have got to have this table. It was a rainy day on this day, so it gave me and my daughter a good chance to spend some time together in the shop. She loves being on camera. Woodworking, not so much, but it's a good time to be together. I spend a ton of time out in the shop, so it's real nice that I can bring the kids out sometimes. A little dangerous. I try to protect them where I can, but you know what? They're tough. And there she goes. She had all the work she could take. For the design, I wanted something different, but not too complicated. So I chose to build a hexagon inside of a circle on top of a square. Yeah, I'm not real sure what I was thinking here. Didn't have a plan. Just gonna send it. I figured if I could get the hexagon right, that the rest of it would be pretty easy. What I ended up doing was gluing together 3 parts, and then later I glued all 3 of those together, which you'll see here in just a second. So here you see I've got the 3 pieces glued together separately, and I put light pressure with these clamps just to keep the angle closed. And then here you see where I have put them all together and clamped them from all sides. Now here's the part that I really didn't know what I was doing. I just kind of had to figure it out as I went. I did some guessing math on the lengths and widths of these, and then I used these washers so that I would have even gaps throughout the entire top of the table. Now the video you're seeing looks really simple, but what I didn't show was how many trips I took to the table saw and to the miter saw to get these just perfect. When I got them right, I kind of panicked and just put these boards on without really thinking about the actual base of the table, but I ended up figuring it out. Say hello to my little friend. Next part of this is making the legs. It actually took 5 pieces of oak to get the right thickness that I wanted. And you'll see here, it's kind of a tedious process. Glue, cut, plane, joint, same old story. If you happen to follow me on Instagram, I actually did a funny reel where I imitated myself showing my wife this table for the first time. And it got like 250,000 views. I did not anticipate on that, but it's pretty funny. It's totally satire. It's true. My wife is beautiful and nice, and it's totally fake. But yeah, check it out. Once I get 2 perfectly flat sides, I'll then run it through my planer, and that gives me a perfectly square piece of wood from which I will cut the table legs from. Aren't those just beautiful? Next up, I need to turn a hexagon into a circle and leave the other hexagon. I can't believe this is actually working. For some reason, I didn't film all of this, but after deciding how to build the base, I ended up having to kind of notch out the boards underneath, which you'll see in just a second, but I glued it all back together and it worked out okay. I've kind of quit showing people sanding because sanding is just sanding, but I did sand this down to 150 grit because I will be applying Rubio Monocoat. This is Rubio Monocoat's Pure Color. It's the two-part mix that you essentially rub on and rub off. I love this stuff. I'm not sponsored by them. I would love to be, but I'm not. This stuff's very expensive, but it is worth the money, and I will put a link below so that you can grab some. When I start applying this, I immediately am happy with what I've done. I think my wife is going to love this, and my daughter is going to be super glad that it's done. The color of this white oak is absolutely incredible. Putting on essentially what's only a clear coat to bring out such color is amazing. That turned out pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah, it did.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think Mom's gonna say?
It's about time.
Yeah, you're probably right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if you learned anything, but hey, I made a cool table. Have you ever done anything similar? Let me know in the comments. As always, like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.